Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring iTunes is updated and your device is unlocked. This avoids handshake errors. Connect with the original cable because flaky cables cause hangs. Once connected, select the device in iTunes and choose Restore Backup. Do this now. You should verify which backup you need by date and device name, since restoring the wrong file overwrites newer data. Make sure you have Apple ID credentials ready. They are required for encrypted backups and for reactivating services after the restore. You select the specific backup in iTunes and click Restore. This starts the transfer of data and settings. If the backup is encrypted, enter the password immediately because encrypted backups contain health data and saved passwords, which otherwise won't come back. While iTunes shows a progress bar, avoid using or disconnecting the device. Interruptions can corrupt the restore. Once the progress indicator reaches 100% and iTunes reports completion, stay patient. The device may reboot several times while you finish by completing on-device setup. Sign into your Apple ID, confirm iCloud settings, and allow time for photos and messages to resync. Make sure critical apps and data are present. Some content downloads later from the App Store or iCloud. If something's missing, check iTunes for error messages, then retry the restore. As a key troubleshooting tip, if restores fail, try a different USB port or cable, and, if needed, perform the restore from another trusted computer to isolate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.